Do you want to see which levels are hunted during a trading session? Take a look at the Hameral Delta Profile. Here's a real-time example recorded live today. Price retested a resistance zone with a lot of buy orders hitting the ask. Despite the big buy volume, price failed to move higher and instead fell. The Delta Profile clearly showed us absorption. How to use the Hameral Delta Profile next. Mark the next support zone with high volume orders. At this level, we see a strong buy delta caused by an aggressive breakout. Below it, big sell orders are stacked as sellers try to defend the area. This is a perfect spot to wait for the next trade. Price touches the zone and buyers defend. The first bullish candle forms. We can take a long position with a 2R risk reward target. Final target, the next resistance zone above, which shows strong rejection and heavy volume. Within a few candles, the 2R plus target is hit. Price continues to push higher toward the final target. Once the final target is reached, price reacts at that area. Notice how buy volume increases, but price gets rejected. Another absorption signal. This gives a chance for a short entry with a 2R plus target, which is quickly hit. This is an aggressive entry. If you want a more conservative entry, wait for the candle to close before entering. The target remains the same, 2R plus, and it is also hit. The Hameral Delta Profile helps you spot absorption, exhaustion, and strong zones where buyers and sellers battle. Hameral Delta bars will be included in the Hameral Order Flow Pro Pack in just a few days. Get your complete order flow kit at the price of a single indicator. We're going to hold to hameral.com.